This is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to lock apps on your Android phone. So the easiest way to do this is to go to the Google Play Store, go to search, and type in AppLock. And there is a specific app we can get. Now the one I like is called AppLock Pro. Just here at the top. So you can look at the different options here. Some of them might be a little bit better than others. Just look at their reviews and the downloads. So I can just install this one because I've had it before. I kind of understand it. So this one may not be the best because it does contain some ads, and a lot of these free apps will have ads on them. And that's fine. I can just open this up. And then you just have to accept the permissions on your phone. And you can get this started rather quick. So let's get started. Come up with the password, 111 is fine, create. So let's verify it now, and then we can save it. So now we have to accept the permissions. Let's go to allow, let's do it. So let's go to AppLock Pro right here, and then permit the next one. Okay. Now we can decide which app we want to lock. So we can go to the unlocked in the lock section, and we can see what's locked. So let's go to the camera for example. This is now locked, and I'll have to unlock it. So we can go to the camera. Here's the camera. Now I have to type in this PIN. So very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.